Are you interested in helping your children access post-high school education? I'm Nicole Lynch, and I work for State Treasurer Deborah Goldberg's Office of Economic Empowerment, managing a program offered to Haverhill families called SoarMA. The program offers families the opportunity to open 529 college savings accounts. Families with 7th and 8th graders at Constantino School will receive a $100 deposit into their 529 account if it's opened by December 1st, 2018. In addition, they will receive matched savings from $100 to $400 for the first year their account is open. SoarMA also hosts free workshops that are open to everyone in different locations around Haverhill. Every family that attends will receive a $20 cash card. These workshops cover topics around planning and saving for higher education. The next workshop will take place on November 19th at 6 p.m. at the Haverhill Public Library.